I bet you're feeling pretty frustrated right now, watching those leaves get chewed to pieces without ever finding the culprit. Well, stop wasting your time. Follow me, because no one understands a caterpillar better than a caterpillar. But first, put on some gloves. Before we go, you gotta remember, not every caterpillar has the same fine dining taste. Depending on who you're hunting, you need the right address. For instance, if you're looking for a fancy black swallowtail, head over to the lemon or lime trees. Looking for a cabbage looper? Check the cabbage patch. As for me, I'm a loyal fan of broad, vibrant leaves, just like these. Whatever we're eating, finding us is always the same trick. The easiest way to find us is to look for our artwork on the leaves. Check this out. Holes everywhere like it was hit by a shotgun. We call those shot holes. And that one over there, where I only nibbled the edges, that's edge feeding. If you find a leaf that's nothing but a skeleton, it means my crew just had a massive buffet. But pay close attention to the freshness of the bite marks. If the edges are dry and brown, sorry to break it to you, but we've already vanished into thin air. But if the bite is still green and moist, that means we're definitely still lurking nearby. We're probably just taking a nap. Hey, even a convict deserves a peaceful... All right, let's get a bit personal. What goes in must come out. We call it Frass. If you see tiny black grains like black pepper on a leaf, look straight up, 90 degrees. I bet you'll find a chubby fellow having the meal of his life right above you. Why do you think those ants are scurrying all over the leaves? You think they're here for a salad? Please, I'm no ant. But I know for a fact they only care about sweets. They wouldn't know how to appreciate a fresh, organic leaf like we do. So, what do ants have to do with finding caterpillars, you ask? A lot, actually. Trust me, if it wasn't a big deal, I wouldn't even be mentioning it. There, you see that? What those ants are feasting on is premium syrup secreted right from my buddy's back. We call it honeydew. But hey, don't think we're just bribing them with snacks. This syrup is special. It's packed with chemicals that go straight to the ants' brains, triggering a dopamine explosion. It gets them all hyped up and makes them our total puppets. Obviously, these little guys can't protect us from those giant birds up there. But when it comes to dealing with sneaky wasps or devious spiders, oh, they are top-tier bodyguards. So whenever you see a swarm of ants huddling together and fiercely guarding a spot on a leaf, you can bet your bottom dollar that their boss is hiding right underneath. Keep it a secret, though. I've never told this to anyone before. As you can see, those hungry birds up there could gobble us up at any moment. That's why 90% of the time, we're clinging for dear life to the underside of the leaf. Your biggest mistake is only looking from the top down. You've got to flip the leaf, but we aren't always hanging out in the open like this. Most of my friends are total homebodies, so they roll up leaves to build their own private villas. If you see a leaf stuck together with silk or curled up like a burrito, that's my buddy's house. Please be a gentleman. Remember to knock before you barge in, okay? And don't trust your eyes too much. Did you know we're basically cousins with chameleons? We can look like a dry twig or even a bird dropping just to fool you. You're asking what to do now? Well, just deal with it. Just kidding. Grab your magnifying glass and watch for moving branches, because branches don't move on their own, right? Sun's going down fast. But this is the prime time to find us. Don't go looking in the midday heat. It's scorching. Only a crazy person would be out then. Catch us at dawn or dusk. That's when the buffet is open and the breeze is cool. It's the royal life, baby. Oh, wait. See that fuzzy, tough guy over there? He's not friendly like me. Touch those hairs with your bare hands, and I guarantee you'll spend all night scratching instead of sleeping. So don't get too excited. Put some gloves on before you try to grab him. All right. Time for me to drop some luggage. Take your magnifying glass and go practice, my friend. Hey, why are you still here? You're gonna stand there and watch me do my business? Give me some privacy. Wait, you're not planning to kidnap me right now, are you? Ah, busted. I guess that's what I get for talking too much. Fine, you caught me. I surrender. But before we go, can I get one apple for the road?